हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में क्विक टू लर्न। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट numpy in Python. So numpy is which is stand for numerical Python library. So numpy is also used in data science. So it's a numerical library which is a library consists of multi-dimensional array object and collection of the routine for processing those array. So NumPy can be used as a multi-dimensional array and it can be used in data science as well as data analytics. So using NumPy mathematicals and logical operation on arrays can be performed. You can perform your all the operation of mathematicals in array. So it's basically used in data science for working on the huge array form data. So NumPy is Python library that is used to work with arrays and was created in 2005. NumPy can be created by the Travis Oliphant in 2005's NumPy library in Python as function for working domain of Fourier transform. Fourier transform के ऊपर domain they can work and the linear algebra and mathematics. So Python NumPy is an open source. It's an open source library that can be used to first you can install that and use this. And NumPy is stand for numericals Pythons. So this is the NumPy, basically introduction of NumPy, and we discuss how we can install the NumPy. So first we can install the NumPy using the command pip install numpy in your cmd or whatever the python shell which you can use to. So numpy array provides an efficient way of storing and manipulating data, and numpy also includes a number of functions that make easy to perform mathematical operation on array, and this can be really useful for scientific or engineers. So numpy basically used for the array and how you can store your data and you can manipulate your data. So this all the mathematical operation that can you performed on array, it's a basically used for by the scientists and the engineers. And then how you can create the numpy array. So first you create the numpy array in different ways. So first I we will discuss how the array are different from python list, list. So first is numpy array work on the multidimensional. In numpy array can we work on multidimensional, but your python list cannot be. It's a one dimensional array. So this is the one difference. Second is numpy is homogeneous and the python list heterogeneous, means that means the elements of numpy array must be of the same types. So जो numpy array can be used as the same type of data, but in your python list you can store the data in array with different data types. So third, numpy array are more efficient than python list. Numpy array are more efficient than python list because you can manipulate your numpy arrays data in different formats. And for example, you can change the shape of array, and you can change the shape of array in numpy, but you cannot change the shape of array in python list. You can access the elements of array in numpy by using the index. You can also perform the mathematical and operation on numpy array, so such as addition. You can add the two numbers two numbers in numpy. You can multiply and division. So how you can create the 1D array and 2D array and 3D array. So firstly you import your numpy as np, and array is an object np.np.array, and you can use 1D and simply print. So the output should be that 1 2 3 4 and 5, and two-dimensional array same. First you can import, a second you can use that, and the print and output should be the same, and the third as well as the same. Third array will be the same. Import numpy np dot, this is your first array, this is your second array, this is your third and fourth array. So this is how you can create a array in one dimensional, two dimensional and three dimensional. So to identify the dimension of array using the NDM function. So first you can import numpy as np, and a is the variable, np dot array is a only you can store one elements, and the other is d. np dot, it's 1 2 3 4. So this is the 4 by 3 4 by 3, it's the dimension of array. So how you can print the dimension? A dot ndm, it's a dimension, and d dot ndm. So first is the zero dimension, the another is the third dimension, three dimension. So this is so the dimension of the array. This is the basically data types of numpy. First is the boolean int c, int p, int 8, int 16, float 64, complex 64, and 128. This is the width byte bits which we can use, and the how you can numpy dot shape. So the array attribute return a tuple consisting of array diamonds. It can be used as resize your array. So import as np, and you, this is the 3 by 2. Okay, so you can shape your array with according to your requirement. And the other is the numpy of item size. They can simply return the type. So sorry, yeah, they can return the item size. This is the 5, so they return as the 5. And the other is array safe. I you call array safe. This is, and import array dot array and resave करना, तो 4 by 3 can be used if your dimension is 4 rows rows into columns. So 4 rows and 3 columns array can be created by using the resave. And how you can iterate your array? So you can iterate your array was simply with the for loop. First is the import numpy as array, and you created one array, and for loop x in array and print. So this is simply 1 2 3, simply they return the array. And the another is how you can join the two array. So you can join the two array, first array and second array, using the concatenation np dot concatenation first array then second array, and you can simply print that. And this is the final, this is the last topic, is splitting array. How you can split your array? So splitting is a reverse operation of joining. So array dot split is the function which we can use np dot array underscore split arr whatever this array. And how you can split, like 3, we can pass the number of split. So 3 split 1 3 4 and 5 6, that we can split your data. And searching array, how you can search your array from the how you can search your elements in array. So using the index, so find the index where the value is 4. So import np dot array, it's simply 1 2 3 4 5 4 4. And the where can be used to search the element. np dot where and arr equals to false, which elements is equals to 4, then print that elements. So they show the index, in which index the array should be, array element should be matched. And the sorting is your array should be the ordered sequence. So end dot array is called sort function, can be used to sort your array according to your requirement, is ascending order, descending order, whatever you like. So numpy is first you can import, then anp dot array, this is your array which we can use. And np dot sort can be used to sort the array. So this is some of the basic function that which we can use. So thank you guys and watching my lecture continuous. So share, like and subscribe my YouTube channels. So thank you.